please allow me to share great details about Northwind Global City, which is Mega World 28 Township Development in Municipality of Marilao and Bukawe. Just really, let's watch this video.
Welcome to Northwind Global City. Located just 20 kilometers north of Metro Manila, across the Philippine Arena. Twenty minutes away from New Manila International Airport in Bulacan. Can be accessed via the Marilao exit of North Luzon Expressway. North to South Commuter Railway Marilao to Tabingilog Station. Aside from NLX, NGC will also have an access from MacArthur Highway. It be part of the first ever condominium. Completion set for 2028. This is the first ever office tower in NGC, currently on the 8th floor. Introducing 9 Central Park. 9 Central Park takes its inspiration from Greenwich West in Charleston, New York. The Northwind Main Street will be master planned for connectivity and mobility, with promenades and walking parks to be integrated between blocks of the district. 44% of the district will be allocated for green and open spaces. Leading to the district are main roads and avenues that will be as wide as 30 meters or 8 lanes for both sides. North View. South View. West View. East View. Prime location. Hybrid city. Sustainability. Innovative investment. Opportunities.
Welcome to Northwind Global City, valued brokers and partners. Kanina, we discussed that Mega World is known for building township, but this time, we will develop a global city. So ano po ba yung global city? Before I start my presentation, again, this project is located in Bulacan. So we will change the real estate landscape of Bulacan because again, there are lots of exciting game-changing infrastructure in Bulacan. Saktong-sakto because April 9 is Araw ng Kagitingan and Bulacan is the land of heroes. We have lots of brokers and salesperson from Bulacan. So we will be your partner again in achieving your success in your real estate journey. So ano po ba yung Global City? I'm sure narinig nyo na po si Bonifacio Global City, narinig nyo na po si Clark Global City. So as of the moment, these are the 2 global cities here in the Philippines. When we say global city, valued brokers and partners, it's an area or space with large foreign businesses and related expatriate communities. So when we say global city, synonyms na po si New York, si London, si Hong Kong, si Tokyo. And again, dito sa Philippines, we have BGC and we have Clark Global City. So for an area to be considered as a global city, there are some factors or characteristics that must be met for us to call them global city. Number 1 is large mass transit network. So later we'll be showing the map of Northwind Global City in Bulacan across Philippine Arena. So for those people who will be visiting Baguio or who will be visiting North Luzon and Central Luzon, if you want to check Northwind Global City, just let us know. We'll be more than happy to help and assist you. NGC is along NLEX, along North Luzon Expressway. In fact, it is bounded or nasa gitna po siya ng NLEX and MacArthur Highway, which are considered two major important roads, not just in Luzon, but in the Philippines. Aside from North Luzon, I'm sure, or kanina, na-discuss ni Narelli and ni Jazz about North-South Commuter Railway train that will connect Clark and Calamba. In fact, there are some news that it might be extended up to Bicol region. This is very important because one station of Northwind Global City, one station of North-South Commuter Railway train will be inside our township. It will be inside Northwind Global City. So for those people who are visiting Malolos, Clark, if you are using the Clark International Airport, nakikita nyo na po to, si North-South Commuter Railway train. It's around 147-kilometer railway. And again, one station will be inside NGC. Some of you might be wondering, Sir, sa map po, parang wala ako nakikitang station near NGC. Parang ang nakikita ko po is the one near SM Marilao and then Bukawe. Yes, hindi po siya kasama because for the station of North-South Commuter Railway train in NGC, it will be constructed by Megaworld. In fact, nag-start na po kami ng construction since again, we're planning or the government is planning to finish this infrastructure project as soon as possible. So Megaworld also started the construction of the Northwind Global City Station of North-South Commuter Railway train. And it will not just be an ordinary station, it will be one of the most beautiful station kasi syempre, pag si Megaworld ang gumawa, it should be remembered, it should be considered as it should be easy to remember. So we will pattern it to the Grand Terminal in New York. So on your screen is the stations and the line of North-South Commuter Railway train. First phase is Malolos to Tutuban, and then second phase is Malolos to Clark International Airport up to New Clark City. And again, it will be connected to the existing PNRs. It will connect Clark and Calamba, and in the future, Calamba to Bicol region. And at the same time, it will be connected to different existing line right now, which is the LRT2, the LRT1, the MRT3, and the soon to open Metro Manila subway. The station will be beside our mall. So gagawa rin din po kami ng mall sa Northwind Global City. So if you have clients who wants to invest in BGC, but for them, the price of BGC is too high for them, or let's say they want to invest with a price of the BGC property 10 years ago, Northwind Global City is a perfect option for them. So again, a large mass transit network. So we are along NLEX, and at the same time, we will have our own station of North-South Commuter Railway train. Aside from that, another characteristics for an area to be considered as a global city, it should be home or near large international airport. Like for example, si BGC, malapit po siya sa NAIA Terminal 3. In the future, 3 stations away si BGC going to NAIA Terminal 3. Si Clark Global City, malapit po kay Clark International Airport. How about Northwind Global City? Malapit po siya kay NAIA Terminal 3 or malapit po ba siya sa NAIA Terminal 3? Yes, pwede naman because Skyway Stage 3 is already open. So it will only take approximately 30 to 45 minutes. Malapit na rin sa Clark International Airport. But in Northwind Global City, we have the new Manila Airport, which will be located in Bulacan, Bulacan. So it will be the biggest airport of the Philippines soon, and we are expecting around 100 million passenger per year. So as of the moment, Bulacan is considered as the gateway to or from Luzon. But in the future, once the new Manila International Airport is completed, Bulacan will be considered as a gateway to the world. So I think this is another reason why Megaworld position in Bulacan because of this, again, another game-changing infrastructure. Imagine Philippine Arena. I'm sure you are all aware that most of
That
international artists or even our local artists prefer to do their concerts in Philippine Arena. And some people from Visayas or from Mindanao are willing to pay more than 20,000 tickets or more than willing to fly just to watch a concerts. But every time they watch concerts, there's always a trending topic in X about the traffic or how hard it is to watch a concert in Philippine Arena. But in the future, since Northwind Global City is just across Philippine Arena, so they will have more options if they are looking for a place to eat, if they are looking for a place to stay before or after the concert. So we have lots of residential condos and retail establishment at Northwind Global City. New Manila International Airport will be done by San Miguel Corporation, who also spearheaded the Skyway Stage 3 and the MRT 7. So in the future, there will be lots of infrastructure roads that will connect NLEX going to the New Manila International Airport. They are even planning to connect MRT 7 going to the New Manila International Airport. And again, right now, our development is approximately 20 kilometers away from the new Manila International Airport. But once all the expressway or airport road going to the new Manila International Airport is finished, it will only take approximately 10 to 12 minutes. Again, the new Manila International Airport will be built in a 2,500 hectare property in Bulacan, Bulacan, and expected to operate by 2028. I think there are some changes lang po, but the construction right now is in full swing. So we'll be showing video of the ongoing construction at the new Manila International Airport. This video actually was shot last year, but there are more exciting updates online. So if you want, you can also check New Manila International Airport. Next, Jazz. So again, large mass transit network, and then again, it should be home or near a large international airport. The last characteristics or factor is prominent skyline. So we will change the landscape, the skyline of Bulacan. Like for example, right now, malapit lang po kami sa Marilao exit. So as of the moment, habang wala pa pong direct connections from NLEX to NGC, we are using Marilao exit. If you are using May Kawayan or Marilao, the Philippine Arena, ang makikita nyo pa lang po are rice fields or houses. But in the future, it will be a prominent skyline because there will be mid-rise building in Northwind Global City. In fact, right now, bago po kayo makarating ng Marilao exit, makikita nyo na po yung malaking billboard namin. And the Northwind Global Tower 1, since almost 12 or 15 floor na po siya. So kitang-kita po siya sa NLEX. So just imagine of BGC or Fort Bonifacio, we will bring it to Bulacan, 85 hectares. But of course, we launched this project in the middle of pandemic. So there will be some upgrade. Like for example, there will be wider spaces for people to walk, and it will be a pandemic-proof development. So again, these are the characteristics for an area to be considered as a global city: large mass transit network, home or near a large international airport, prominent skyline, which are all present at Northwind Global City. Let me show you the map of Northwind Global City. Thank you very much, Jazz and Relly. So again, Northwind Global City is around 85 hectares. Kung makikita nyo po yung egg-shaped white sa taas, that's Philippine Arena. Sa screen or sa map, medyo malayo po siya, but if you are in the actual site, kitang-kita nyo po from our development si Philippine Arena. And again, North Luzon Expressway and Lex. And on the other side is MacArthur Highway. So we are bounded. Nasa gitna po tayo ng two important major roads. And in the future, we will connect NLEX and MacArthur Highway. Next, Jazz. So this is the artist rendition of Northwind Global City. That major road is NLEX. So this is how it looks like if you are in the Philippine Arena side. So important numbers to remember about Northwind Global City. Number one, it is MegaWorld's 28th township. Kanina discussed by Chess. As of the moment, we now have 35 township. So I love saying this one because it shows the credibility of the developer, which is MegaWorld. Kompleto na po yung development ni MegaWorld. Well, of course, there will be more development, but meron na kaming Eastwood, meron na kaming Southwoods, meron na kaming Westside, and then Northwind Global City. The total land area is 85 hectares. If you want to imagine how big 85 hectares, just think of McKinley Hill, which is 50 hectares, and McKinley West, which is around 34.5 hectares. So all in all, that's almost 85 hectares. So that's how big Northwind Global City, a combination of McKinley Hill and McKinley West. MegaWorld will be spending around 98 billion capital expenditure for this project. And again, it's 20 kilometers away from Metro Manila, but still the closest township of MegaWorld in Metro Manila, and 20 minutes away from the new Manila International Airport. That is if you will drive right now. But again, in the future, there will be lots of exciting infrastructure that will connect NGC and Lex area going to the new Manila International Airport. Next, Jazz. So about Northwind Global City, again, number one, location, location, location. So very prime location, connected to NLEX and MacArthur Highway, and close to the new Manila International Airport, and home of one of the station of North-South commuter railway train. I love this project. I remember in 2021 when we launched this project, every time we invite our clients to visit the area, kahit wala pa pong makikita or kahit vacant lot pa lang po sila, they still do reservation for the lot and for the property that we are offering, because wala na pong dadaan ng secondary road or wala nang dadaan ng mga barangay road. It's right along NLEX, and in the future, we will have our own direct and exit from NLEX. And again, since it was launched in 2021 in the middle of pandemic, so we consider pandemic. So this will be a hybrid city, a global city with a modern and timeless design that caters to the hybrid living lifestyle in the post-pandemic era. And City of Sustainability, a city that puts on emphasis on green open spaces and environment-friendly initiatives. Si Uptown Modern will be our first residential LEED certified building, and Northwind Global City will be our first LEED certified development. So that's our plan for Northwind Global City. And that's the reason why 44% of the 85 hectares will be allotted for open spaces, for parks, for civic spaces, and for a hula more. And again, investment opportunities. It will improve the local economy, not just Bulacan, but the Central Luzon, North Luzon, helping business grow that help create job opportunities. So I'm very happy for those brokers and people of Bulacan, Valenzuela. I think we have some friends from Rebab, Caloocan here. So those people in Pampanga, Bataan, they don't need to go to Bulacan, to Manila in the future just to look for a good school or for a good company, since there will be lots of international and multinational companies that will be opening in Bulacan as well, specifically Northwind Global City. Next, Jazz, Relly. Again, if you have any questions, please don't forget to use the chat section and we will be answering your questions after my presentation. The key township advantage of NGC is the train station. Later, we'll be showing you the map, and it will be positioned as a global business district. It will be an area for commercial business district, pedestrian shopping street, upscale mixed-use developments, civic spaces, and community facilities. And again, the township will be designed with wide road networks, incorporating bicycle lanes and pedestrian-friendly streetscapes. Let me show you the development of Northwind Global City. So what are the highlights? Let's go back. Ayan. Thank you, Jess and Relly. So Northwind Global City, the first project that we offer in Northwind Global City when we launched it in 2021 is our Team Shop House and Commercial District, which means we are offering shop house lots, approximately 300 to 400 square meters. Pag shop house lot po, so we are offering lot, and then the client can build up to 3-story building, gaya po nung nakikita natin sa picture. The ground floor and second floor, they can use it for residential, for commercial use. Can you hear me, value brokers and partners? Jazz?
Yes, sir.
Medyo
Okay.
naging blurry lang, sir.
Sige,
Pero
sige.
okay na.
All right, thank you. So again, we offered a shop house lot and then commercial lot, which is around 700 square meters. So pwede pong magtayo ng up to 5-story building, and pwede po siyang gamitin for boutique hotel or offices. In 2021, in a span of 6 months, sold out po siya. And we offered this lot for approximately 100,000 pesos per square meter. Right now, the ongoing price is around 150,000 pesos per square meter. So imagine, even if wala pa yung property, hindi pa turnover, client are just paying their monthly amortization, pero in a span of almost 3 years, the appreciation of their property already doubled. But the good news, we do have reopened lot right now. So if you have clients who would like to expand their business in Bulacan, especially Northwind Global City, so we have 2 lots available for sale, 2 shop house lot for sale. So the lot price is around 45,220,000. So if we will get the price per square meter of that one, again, when we offer the property in 2021, It's only 90 to 100,000 pesos per square meter. But right now, 45,220,000 divided by 300, that's almost 150,000 pesos per square meter. But we can give you big discounts. We can give your clients a big discount if they will be paying cash. So from 45 million, the unit price will be down to 38,437,000. If they want a bigger lot, we have a prime corner lot, which is block 11 lot 14, which is around 379 square meters. So again, ang binibenta po natin is lote. Si client na po yung magpapatayo ng building. They can build up to 3-story or around 16-meter building. The ground floor and second floor, pwede po nilang gamitin for commercial use except junk shop, gas station, funeral, or any gambling-related businesses, tsaka po yung mga inpatient clinic. So yun lang po yung mga pwede. But the rest, pwede na po. And then the third floor, pwedeng gawing residential or offices. Next, Jazz. So this is the ongoing development in Northwind Global City, but I think this is no longer updated. But don't worry, if you want to visit the site, let us know. We are planning to have another event for brokers in NGC as well, so we can show you the entire development. Jazz, next. So again, these are additional information about the ongoing construction development at Northwind Global City. We also launched our first residential condo in Northwind Global City, which is 9 Central Park. So I'll discuss more details about 9 Central Park. And again, this is our first residential condo. And there are lots of advantages if you will be investing in the first residential condo. Kasi like for example, the people watching concerts at Philippine Arena, the people who will be working at our Northwind Global Tower 1, if they are looking for a place to stay or if they are looking for a place to rent, 9 Central is their only option. Next, Jazz. So on your screen is the map of Northwind Global City. And again, it's around 85 hectares. So 9 Central is located almost in the middle near the Northwind Main Street. So we'll be showing to you the distance of 9 Central Park in different key establishments. Next, Jess. First of all, why 9 Central Parks? Because it takes its inspiration from Greenwich West in Charleston, New York. You're familiar with the Central Park in New York, so that's our inspiration for this project since 44% of Northwind Global City will be allotted for open spaces. And there are lots of reasons to love 9 Central Park aside from our payment terms. I will highlight as well later the perfect square layout of Northwind Globe, I mean of 9 Central Park. Next, Jazz. So these are the distance of 9 Central Park to different locations. Like for example, North Luzon Expressway, approximately 2.7 kilometer. Philippine Arena, Quezon City, and of course, the new Manila International Airport. Additional highlights of the location of 9 Central Park. First of all, it's walking distance since it's right across Northwind Main Street. It will be beside the Northwind Global City's future parks, close to 3 connecting roads to the township, and close to NGC station of North-South Commuter Railway train. So this is the site development plan of 9 Central Park. So it's divided into two wings. We have the East Wing, which is almost sold out, and we have West Wing. So we launched West Wing last year. So as of the moment, we still have available units that your client may choose from studio with balcony up to twin flex unit, which is a two-bedroom plus studio unit. The amenity area will be located on the second floor. So just next page. I will not discuss too much about the amenities since it's almost the same with our residential project in Fort or in other townships. So I'm sure familiar na po kayo sa gym, sa swimming pool. For the development summary of 9 Central Park, the total land area is approximately 3,567. So again, it is divided into two phases, which is East Wing and West Wing. It's around 23 stories, so mid-rise lang po siya since malapit po tayo sa airport. And technically, parang 21-story po siya since wala po tayong fourth floor and wala din po tayong 13th floor. The total number of units is around 247. And again, we will have floor breakdown for your reference. So basement 1 and basement 2 will be allotted for parking. Ground floor will be allotted for lobby and retail shops. Second floor will be the amenity area. And then second floor, 20th floor and 22nd floor, we have sky decks. And third floor up to 23rd floor will be residential floors. The turnover date is November 30, 2027, plus 12 months grace period. So approximately 2028. What are the unique selling points of 9 Central Park? Again, there are lots of advantages if you will be buying in our first residential condo in terms of price appreciation. Like for example, um, one uptown residence, even in McKinley Hill, like for example, Stamford, in McKinley West Village. Just to give you an idea, when we started selling our lot in McKinley West Village, our launching price is around 76,000 pesos per square meter. But right now, if you will buy a lot in McKinley West Village, the price per square meter is almost 350 to 400,000 pesos per square meter. So definitely you will enjoy higher and big appreciation. Again, it's walking distance from North Wind Main Street. It is facing the parks of NGC. There will be bay windows as well, and we offer twin flex units. Plus, again, the smart home deliverables and building facilities. We will now show you some sample unit. But before that, let me share some green and sustainability features of 9 Central Park because again, we are now into green development. So adhering to the township's commitment of being a city of sustainability, 9 Central Park will offer low flow rate fixtures, which means yung mga faucet po natin hindi po ganun kalakas to conserve water. We also have occupancy sensors, maximize equipment energy efficiency. We will also have rainwater harvesting tank and MRF. Very important po si rainwater harvesting tank. It's synonyms to or additional things that I remember in terms of rain harvesting tank is the storm water detention facility, just like what we did sa Burgos Circle area. So we will do it here in NGC as well because I'm sure some of you might have concern about flood in Bulacan. So in NGC, we will have storm water detention facility. So just in case of heavy rains, typhoons, so the rainwater will go there first and then we will reuse it to use it for watering the plants and for other purposes. So there will be no flood in Northwind Global City aside from its high location of the area. We also added approximately 8 meter, nagtambak po tayo, just to make sure that there will be no flood issue in the future. Again, my favorite about 9 Central Park is the layouts. On your screen right now is our second floor plan for 9 Central Park, featuring both East Wing and West Wing. Let me check if we can zoom some of the layout. Like for example, for third floor, just do we have floor plan of third floor to um, okay, let me just use this one, our second floor. So let's say unit uh, K. So unit K is a studio unit with a balcony. There you go. Thank you, Jess. So again, that's a studio unit. But if you notice, it's almost like one bedroom unit. It's perfect square, so the unit has been maximized for practical and optimal use. Normally, especially right now in Uptown, I mean in BGC, in the Fort, in Makati, and other developed areas, if you will buy a studio or one bedroom unit, normally pagpasok nyo, kitchen kagad. But this time, our studio unit, it's perfect square. Once you enter, you will have your enclosed kitchen, and then you will have spacious living and dining area with access to your own private balcony. And then you will have your sleeping den or bedroom. So may partition na po siya. Wala lang pong door. It's up to you if you want to put a door for additional privacy and security. And then you will have your own toilet and bath, and you will have provision for washer and dryer. So if you will compare this unit to other development, it's almost like one bedroom, but this in 9 Central Park, studio with balcony lang po siya. So we have lots of clients who reserve units because of the layout. So it's perfect for personal use, or like for example, if you are planning to use it for short-term rental purposes or Airbnb. For one bedroom, it's almost like two bedroom because our one bedroom include a maid's room. Let's say unit A. Let's check unit A just really. It's a corner unit. No, not that one. The unit A on the east wing. Ayan, thank you. So the green unit, the unit with color green, that's a one bedroom, which is around 60 square meters. And again, I love the layout because one bedroom plus maid's room. So if you don't have maid, you may convert the maid's room into additional bedroom, guest room, or kids room. And again, it's perfect square. It's spacious. Oh, not perfect square, but it's spacious, and it's a big unit considering it's just a one bedroom unit. So it's perfect for personal use or for investment. And then again, we have two bedrooms, and we have two bedrooms plus studio, which is our twin flex units. And we are offering flexible payment terms for 9 Central Park. Like for example, for our studio with balcony, we offer no down payment for as low as 14 to 16,000 pesos only. Zero interest since it's still under pre-selling stage. So if you have clients from Bulacan who would like to invest, or if you have clients from Central Bulacan who are looking for midway home, we may offer 9 Central Park at Northwind Global City. Just let's proceed to the next page. So I will not discuss too much about the deliverables because it's almost the same with the rest of our projects. We will turn over the unit fully finished, which means the cabinet, the tiles, the cooktop, the range hood are all included. Smart home as well. But for 9 Central Park, hindi lang po kasama si aircon, window type aircon, since we are allowing our client to choose their own brand for the aircon. The parking levels will be located on the basement 1 and basement 2. We will also have bike storage, and the parking floors will be finished with epoxy paint and polished concrete. For parking, it's available for one bedroom up to two bedrooms. So as of the moment, studio are not yet allowed to get a parking. So we need to wait for the rest of the unit once there are available parking pa. So that's the time that we can offer it for our studio unit owners. Next, Jazz. So again, the smart home features will be present as well in 9 Central Park. So you will be able to control your furnitures or lighting by simply using your digital devices like cell phone or iPad. These are the amenities which are located on the second floor of 9 Central Park. So we have lap pool, we have kiddie pool, we have outdoor workspace, we have multi-use open space or co-working space. We also have private lounge, we have function room, we have gym, daycare. So everything that you need is just within the building. Next, Jess. So here are some photos of 9 Central Park, especially the amenity area. So we have the multi-use open space, we have the co-working space, we also have the private lounge. And here are 9 reasons to choose 9 Central Park. Again, aside from the flexibility of payment terms, aside from the appreciation opportunity for 9 Central Park, these are additional reasons why choose 9 Central Park. Number one, of course, in real estate, it's always location, location, location. So it is the next central business district, the next global city of the Philippines, near different game-changing infrastructure like the New Manila International Airport, the North-South Commuter Railway train, the Philippine Arena, and again, it's along NLEX and bounded by NLEX and MacArthur Highway. You will also enjoy New York-inspired lifestyle, Empire State of Design. So we integrate just like Uptown Modern. We have considered the luxury, the sustainability, so modern and innovative living spaces that are inspired by luxurious apartments of New York. We also have the smart home features. The latest features of 9 Central Park will be the bicycle storage, drying cages, as well as sustainability features like occupancy sensors and rain harvesting tanks. So this time we will have our own bicycle storage. Kasi like for example, there will be lots of open spaces, bike lanes, and wide roads. So definitely biking will be one of the sports for those residents. So we will provide bicycle storage as well. We will also have new and improved amenities, nice views, and of course, it is built by the best, which is Mega World. And we will set the standard of living, luxurious living in Bulacan because let's accept it for the past years or decade, Bulacan has been known for social housing or for mid-income development. But this time, since there are lots of infrastructure projects in Bulacan, there are lots of developers, high-end developers like MegaWorld, who are now changing the real estate landscape of Central Luzon, specifically Bulacan. We will be sending announcement for our tour in Northwind Global City or for our upcoming events in Northwind Global City. For those people who will be spending their Holy Week in North Luzon, let's say Baguio, Pangasinan, Tarlac, Nueva Ecija, La Union. So makikita nyo po yung billboard namin right after Petron. and near or before reaching Philippine Arena. So southbound po kami, which means nasa kabilang side siya if you are going to Baguio. If pauwi na po ng Manila, nasa right side po siya. Left side pala if you are going to Baguio. So this is when we ground break 9 Central Park. And last time I visit, nasa 4th floor na po si 9 Central Park. So you may now invite your client. We have a small but beautiful office so we can show you the development of Bulacan. So again, feel free to take a photo of this QR code for more details about 9 Central Park. But again, we do have your email address. We will be flashing our number as well. So if you have any questions, if you want to invite our team to do project knowledge seminar for your group or for your chapter or for your brokerage, feel free to inform us. We will be more than happy to meet you and this time face to face na